everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this slime without borax. So you need to make it. You need baking soda and saline solution, and you mix them together and put it here. And food coloring.
That's actually purple food coloring.
Yeah, I already made the yellow. And then glue and a bowl with my stick. And a stick. Or if you don't have a stick, you can use a spoon. So the first thing you need to do is you put glue in the bowl. Next, food coloring. 1 drop. I'm mixing it. Next, you add the activator.
And what's that? Is it the saline solution?
Keep on mixing it. So,
How long do you have to mix it for?
I think when it looks like slime or something. I think if like this, you just stop. Nope, not yet.
How do you know it's ready?
When it's not that sticky, but it still needs to be a bit sticky. Okay, I think it's ready now.
Ew, slime!
Yep, you just get it in your hand and rub it.
That's it? You finished?
No. You need to like think your hand is clean.
If your hand is dirty, it's not okay.
Oh. So that doesn't look like it's coming off your hand.
It's starting to get better.
Oh.
See? Now it's working.
Oh, it's coming off your hands. Oh yeah. Closer.
It's coming off. See, I told you it will work. Without borax. Okay, if it likes this, I think it's ready. So you can like start kneading it. And then it's done.
Is it done yet?
Yeah. So I gotta tell you some things about this. So if you put this on a piece of paper, it will stick there and it can't come off. You need to like try to like wash it off. And another thing, that don't put it on your shirt. And the same thing will happen. So you can like stick it on table and play with it. And it's not that messy. You can rub it off